I made one party invitation template. I made it once, and over the next couple of years, hundreds of people bought that same file. They typed their own child's name into it, changed the date, downloaded it, printed it, and used it. And I didn't have to do any work alongside them. This invitation sold for me 385 times. I took this exact design style and layout and duplicated it over hundreds of different themes and different products. I wasn't selling the invitations. I was selling the thing that made the invitations. And as soon as I understood that, that's when the entire business shifted. And that's what today's video is about. Here's why this matters to you. And it has almost nothing to do with Canva. Most people who start selling on Etsy accidentally build themselves a job. They make a thing, they sell it, and then they make another thing, and they sell that on repeat. And you can make real money that way. I did, but your income is permanently tied to the amount of hours you can work. And you only have so many hours in the day, especially if you have children like I do. The moment your product can finish itself, that link breaks. Same shop, same customer, same traffic, completely different life. And let me be completely honest with you, because I don't want anyone getting the wrong idea. This is not completely passive income. Nobody is making lots of money in their sleep from day one. It took real work and long hours to get there, but it is repeatable income. And that is genuinely different. Quick thing before I get into it. If you're sitting there thinking, okay, but where do I actually start? That's exactly what I built my 30-day Etsy growth plan for. It's a week-by-week plan for 1 month, so you're not guessing about what to work on next. The link's below. Okay, let me show you the difference that I'm talking about, because template sounds like a small technical thing, but it isn't. Say you're really good at cooking, and your friend loves your lasagna. So you cook one for her, she eats it, she loves it, and then it's gone. And then her sister wants one, and you're back in the kitchen. Same chopping, same cooking, same 2 hours. And then 10 people want a lasagna, and that's 20 more hours of your life. Or you write down the recipe, and you hand it to 10 or 1,000 people, and every one of them does the cooking. You wrote down the recipe once, then they do the cooking. That's a Canva template. The customer isn't buying an invitation from you. She's buying the recipe, and she's doing the cooking. She puts her daughter's name in. She changes the date. She downloads the invitation and prints it off herself or sends it to a local print shop. You made it once. She finishes it off hundreds of times over without ever needing you involved. That was the shift. And I want to walk you through the change that it actually made in my life, because it wasn't just the money. The first one, my time stopped being a part of the product. Before, everything I sold needed my hands on it. With templates, the work happens once, front load it. I finish it once, and then it's ready to sell on repeat. I don't need to touch it again. If the order comes in at 11 p.m. and I'm asleep, Etsy would send her the download file automatically. There's no me in that transaction. And that's what people mean when they say that digital products scale. But they make it sound like it's a fancy business term. It isn't. It means that you can be at the park with your kids while your business is still running. The second, one design turned into a whole shop. A party invitation is not one product. She's not throwing an invitation, she's throwing a party. So the same design style became the welcome sign, the thank you tags, the party games, the photo collage, the milestone banner. Same look, same layout, same customer, all of it sold together. Then you just take the whole set and you change the theme. So one birthday set became the next one, and then the next one. New sellers tend to think that you need a new idea every single time, and you just don't. I ran the same design formula across more themes than I can count, and each one of them was faster to create than the one before them. 3, it worked while I was doing other things. I'm a homeschooling mom of 2. Digital products gave me back time with my children. I could go to the park and play games with my children without becoming overwhelmed by the amount of work that I needed to get done that day. I was able to be a better mom while still growing my business. And that's what I mean by digital products changed my life. It wasn't a number in a bank account. It was that my income stopped competing with my kids for the same hours in the day. Now, let me tell you something that almost nobody puts in these videos. The front end is slow. It can be really frustrating. You'll design something that you're sure is going to sell, and it'll sell once or twice or maybe not at all. And then you'll put something up that you almost didn't want to put in your shop, and that'll be the thing that takes off. I made many designs that at the time I thought were great and were going to do well, but then completely flopped and nobody bought. It took time to learn the design style that was going to resonate with my customer and convert well in my shop. And it's not completely passive. Templates do come with customer service. You will have people messaging you, asking you how to change the fonts, how to change the color, how to open the download, why it isn't printing properly. Heck, some people who have no idea how to use a computer will suddenly decide that they are going to buy a digital item that day, and they'll need you to hold their hand and walk you through the entire process. Doesn't happen a lot, but it does happen. It can really help if you make a step-by-step instructions page to hand off with your digital product. And look, this took time. It wasn't just one viral product. It was stacking lots of small products one after another. So if you're sitting there with Canva open, not sure whether or not you're even supposed to be doing this, you are. I had no design background. I learned by making bad versions over and over again until they got better. Start with one product, one template for one customer done properly. Because the version of this that changes your life isn't the one where you get really lucky. It's the one where you make something once and it keeps working for you long after you've stopped touching it. If you want more like this, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.